Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to create charts using Canva. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Here we are with our canva.com, so we can just choose any of these to build our design with. Let's say that I'm just creating some presentation and I want to include few charts on my some statistics on my presentation. So let me just take it to be something like 16 is to 9 ratio of a presentation. So now here we are having many templates that we can use. Let's say that I want to use something like this. Once I click onto this, I can find many things that I can include on my presentation, or I can just import these single pages of the presentation, or I can apply all the 13 pages. I'm just clicking on applying to all the 13 pages. And here I have this presentation done for me, which I can edit it. And the thing is that now I want to add something like a chart to this. Let me just create another slide, something like this. Click on the duplicate page here. Now that we have this empty slide in which we can enter our charts which we want, here now we need to go down and go to the apps, and you can just search for the charts. In that you can find this charts, and this, as I have already opened it, it is coming over here. I can find it when I just search for charts. Click on this charts, and let's say that I want to create some chart which is looking like this. Let me click on this, and this shows me the chart. This doesn't blindly show some chart, but we can enter our data which we want to show in the particular chart. You are having these two things, like this represents the items and this represents the series. You just need to mention like represents the number, and you need to mention what is the value for that particular item for that particular series. So we have these three colors, and you can even change these colors according to your wish. You can just go for something like this also. So it is completely up to you, and you can even choose from photo colors. And let me just go back to my charts and this particular chart. And here I can upload, like, let's say that you are having some countable data. You can enter it over here. If you are having huge data, it will be a time waste. If you want to enter everything, it will be a hectic task. You can even upload it as a CSV, or you can upload it from the Google Sheets. And you can just find some of the settings over here. That is, if you want to show the legends or not, that is representing this brown color to be series 1, and this blue, light blue, to be series 2, and this to be series 3. I don't want it as of now, or let's say that we'll keep it for the better reference. You can the showing labels is needed anyway, and showing grid lines and ticks is also good thing. So you can plot the column as series or plot the rows as series this way. So let me even go for this. Once you are with this, you even have other option, that is roundness. You can click on the roundness, and you can just choose how round you want your edges to be on your bar chart. So this is how this works. Let me keep it to be something nearer to this 35. And here we are having this row spacing. I have these are to be spaced this way, so let me just make it to be something around 25. So that could be okay. And in this way we can give the roundness and spacing between each of the item. And you can use all the settings to give different shapes and different colors. And you can give your bar graphs, or there are different types of charts, that is line and dot charts, pie chart, and some of the infographic charts, and other charts also. You can just go find them out. And this is all for this video, guys. Hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.